Brandon Dauphin, the Marketing Mechanic here, and today I want to talk about what Paperboy can teach us about marketing. When I was 5 years old, this wonderful contraption called the Nintendo came out and wowed many little hearts, including mine. There was a game on Nintendo called Paperboy where you would play a paperboy trying to deliver newspapers to the front doors of a neighborhood without being hit by cars or eaten by dogs, which in hindsight is kind of a stressful thing for 5-year-olds, but I digress. The key is, while the Nintendo and the game Paperboy may be relics of the past, physical mail is not. Physical mail is alive and well, kind of like the bills and taxes we often get in them. If you're looking for an edge in marketing, may I humbly recommend you consider the power of physical mail. This is normally done in two ways. The first way is to send out an offer through a mailer, or oftentimes in a coupon book. This is a great strategy if you are running a local service company. So that could be restaurants or retail or home service companies, so your plumbers and your electricians. The second strategy that can apply to basically any business possible is to send a wow package to either your current clients or your potential clients. People can underestimate the power of receiving things in the mail, especially if it isn't a bill. I had one software company send me a gigantic box. I was not expecting anything from them. I opened it up and inside was I'm not lying, it was a briefcase. An actual briefcase. Who uses those anymore? I opened up the briefcase and inside was all this swag from the company, including this big fake money pile saying like, you can make tons of money with us. Let's just say that I've not forgotten that company. It made a big impact on me. Of course, it doesn't have to be that expensive. I had one business coach who I eventually became a client of, but at the time I was not, who sent just a small little envelope. Inside was a notepad, some stickers, and a challenge coin. Made an impact on me, a little handwritten note. Okay, so made a big impact on me. I'm like, wow, that's really cool. And I wound up becoming a client. Remember, it doesn't have to be super expensive, but it's super powerful, especially if you have a longer sales process. For your potential clients to receive something in the mail is a fantastic way to move them further along that sales conversation and put you higher up in the ranking for a potential buy. And the reason I emphasize the power of sending swag to a current client is that one of the biggest bleeds on a company's profitability is lack of retention. And from research I've read, it seems that one of the primary reasons why customers leave is that they're just indifferent about your business. If you want to change that, send them something in the mail. In the meantime, I'm Brandon the Marketing Mechanic, and stop wasting money on broken marketing.